Hey guys, you're watching Team Giroux, and this is Giroux Camping Adventures. Woo! Hey guys, Kartchner Caverns State Park. Highly recommend. Awesome views in the back, and behind me are caves.
Okay. Ooh, and look at this.
Sis, show her.
Look, she already knows. Makes full
Does it?
This place is cool. It has all the machinery they use. What is that, Caitlin?
Jackleg drill.
Oh.
She jumped her phone.
Are you making any progress? Caitlin's exploring the caves. Muscles. All right.
What is it, sis?
Junior Buddy Packets.
Okay.
This prehistoric mammal skeleton was found in a remote chamber of Kartchner Caverns. Sloth?
It's maybe.
Lift it up. Let's see.
Yes!
Yes!
Yeah.
Hang on. Okay.
I'm getting everybody, baby.
Good morning.
Where are we going, guys?
Foothill Loop Trail.
Oh, I got that. Okay. Oh,
It's gonna be a good one.
man. Okay, we're gonna do that again. Here we go.
Hi. Nice to meet you. Look.
All right, Foothills Trail. We are about 0.76 miles. Onward.
Let me see it.
The benefits of self-movie production. Having to go and get your own camera after all the shots. Catching up to the fam. Still going on the Foothills Trail. Let's see, we're at, oh, I don't have my watch set on the right spot, but we're probably at 1.25 miles.
1.13.
1.13. I was close.
I know. You got burrs all over you. Oh, look at these. That's kind of cool. Be careful.
Guys, we made it to the top of the Foothills Loop Trail. You can take this alternative viewpoint, which adds 1/3 of the mile.
What are you doing?
Let me stand up.
Ew, you're sweaty.
You're sweaty. Here we are, coming up to the end of the Foothills Loop Trail. 2.5 miles.
What is wrong with you?
Come on, come on. Let's go this way. Okay, I'll go on this rock. Oh, I made it! I made it!
Lava game.
Hot lava game. Do it.
Woo!
Do you need a hand? I'll save you from the lava. Huh. Don't touch that lava. Woo! Okay.
What are you doing? I love
Oh, Bridge, hold your breath. Oh! Oh my gosh, that was the longest tunnel ever, you guys. That's a tarantula. Woohoo!
See our antenna?
Good job, guys. We need to go to the ranger station and get your junior ranger badges. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Come on, let's go.
Could you stop that?
Keep going. You're almost through. Emily, what is she doing? Does that help?
No.
Repeat after me. As an Arizona State.
As an Arizona State.
All right, there's.
Okay, guys, they have their junior rangers. But do you guys want to walk back? No, you don't want to walk back? How about we just walk back? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Daddy? Where'd he go?
What? Where did everyone go? Oh, I know. Oh, okay, this looks better. This looks better, guys. I think we're back. There's everyone. Okay. Woo! I thought I was lost there for a second. Where are you going? We've been here for about 4 or 5 days and now we're gonna take off. See ya.
Bye-bye now.
If you enjoyed watching this and want to see more from Giroux Camping Adventures, make sure to like and subscribe to this channel and comment below. Bye guys.